Hi, this is Swapnil Vaskar Vyas. I am the lofty dreamer, like the dreams having financial freedom, passive income, early retirement, and business on auto mode. Today I am going to discuss about the chapter on success, the secrets of success. The secret of success is to be said that there is no secret to success. Success is only the result of hard work in right direction and consistent working. Success is not mystery, consistency is the success. Success is progressive. Progress is perfection. Then for success you need to have a strong decision. And once you make a decision, you must not drift from your aim. Success requires a burning desire inside you, that is, until when I will not stop until I reach my goal. I will not stop until I reach my goal. Whatever it takes, I will do whatever it takes, and I will not stop until I get my goals. That is, I succeed. That is burning desire. Then we require enough reason for success or goals. So you are strong. You must figure out your strong why. Unless and until you don't know what is your why or strong why, you cannot know how, and you will not be able to have any kind of dream or aim completed, and you will never be successful if your why is not strong enough. You should find what is your kick, what is that thing that kicks you to move forward. So what the things happen in the past, or the poor condition of family, that drives you to make your life that makes your life without compensation. Every new level of success needs new version of you. Every new level of success requires your new version. Building you If you are in direct selling or network marketing, then building your customers is your best skill. You must is the basic skill. You must develop it. Skills make you successful, so you must know the mindset, skill set, and tool set for having the success in our life. What you have, the journey of success is important. Only success, like final step, destination of success is not only but the process of achieving that success, and what you have become in that procedure is the main thing, is the main goal here. The question is not from where to here, but the question is from here to where. So in the journey of success, what you have become is most important thing. How you see things is important. That is your attitude of looking at everything will determine your success. That is, you can say the half of the glass is empty or half of the glass is full, or if you can see the opportunity in every difficulty, then you can be the winner. Because कामयाब लोग कभी बहाने नहीं ढूंढते, जो कवर्ड्स होते हैं वही बहाने ढूंढते हैं. नॉन परफॉर्मर्स लोग बहाने ढूंढते हैं. सक्सेसफुल पीपल कभी बहाने नहीं ढूंढते. सक्सेसफुल पीपल आइदर walk the way or create the way. You have to make a decision. That is, you must put your success dream on the vision board and make a strong decision to achieve that. And your commitment should be like that: whatever it takes, I will achieve that thing in dash 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 of time amount, and for that, whatever it takes, I will do whatever it takes. How to have a kick is the question you must ask to yourself. That is, the poor condition of your family or compromisation you had in your childhood, you must not want it to continue till your next generation. Then that can be your strongest kick. And have your goals photo in your every visible place where you spend most of the time. Have your photo of your goal or dream wherever you go often, and do until you do it or it happens. That is consistency. You must be consistent in your actions until you get the desired success. Success is progressive and progress is perfection. If you wait to be perfect and then starting the process, that will be like saying, I will learn the swimming first and then jump in the water. So, and you must have a burning desire to achieve your goal, and that desire can be anything. That is, just as I said, compromisation you had faced in your childhood or even in your youth. Your children must not get into that compromising situation. They should get the best. Your family can be your strong why. Your family deserves the best. If you think your family deserves the best, and you are responsible to make them give the best things in the world, then that can be your burning desire, which can be called cake. Then your attitude is most important for achieving your success. That is, believe in yourself and your dreams. Never think that my success is much lofty and much more high. My aim is much high and I might not success in it. That is not the right thing. because God does not give you the dream which you cannot fulfill. God knows your capacity and He gives you the dream which is under in the reach of in your which is in your reach, but you have to stretch for some time. Then you must visualize your aims and goals to become successful every day, twice, in the morning and in the evening, or in the morning when you get up, or in the night before you go to bed. You must visualize your goals to be success, to make them into a success, convert them into a success. Also affirm your success statement, that is, affirm your aims in the morning when you get up, and in the night before you go to sleep, or in meditation also you can visualize and affirm your goals. What you think you become, that is, your subconscious mind does not know right thing or wrong thing. Your subconscious mind just knows that it just knows what we put in it. So if we put negative things in our subconscious mind, we will have the negative results. If we have positive things put in our subconscious mind, our subconscious mind will come with the positive results. You have to make your life, that is, you must manifest your life, means your destiny. You are the maker of your own destiny, and whatever you have achieved till now is also what you have manifested. That is that was the blueprint of your mind that has come into reality right now. So you are attracting your destiny even now, but not unknowingly. Now we are knowingly, we are going to put the positive things in subconscious mind, and we will make our destiny, we will attract our destiny. Our attitude should be always positive, and we must see the opportunity in every difficulty. There is a quote saying like that, in the midst of every difficulty there is a golden opportunity. That is positive thinking. We must think positively, and positive attitude is also very easy. Then action plan. Everything is made before it becomes. That is, everything that has been created in the world was generated twice. Once in the mind of a Duradrushti, we can say drashta, drashta type person, the thing which was made in the mind of some vision, person with having some vision, and then it has been come into reality. So everything is made before it become. If businessman, or whether it is businessman or boss, is for the businessman, the boss is your calendar. If you don't plan a day, you have planned it to fail. So you must not start your day until you have finished it on the paper. Get up at least at 5 a.m. with that will give you 2 to 3 hours extra than other people, which will give you 90 hours in a month and 365 into 3 hours in an year to in an year, that those are more than other people. So why is the kick, and your why must be strong. It can be your children, it can be your parents, it can be your family, or it can be your passion, or it can be that you want to prove to someone that you are also someone. And one day, मतलब हिंदी में कोट है जो बोला जाता है, मुंह फेर लिया जिन्होंने मेरा समय देख के, वादा है मेरा उनसे कि मैं ऐसा समय भी लाऊंगा कि मुझसे मिलना पड़ेगा, मुझसे समय लेके. That is your that kind of inspiration can be your why, and that is your cake. Learn to get the knowledge of your goal. If your goal is be physically strong, then you must get the knowledge of that by going into gym and hire a personal coach or trainer and get the knowledge of bodybuilding. If your goal is become a businessman, then you must take the knowledge of that through books, videos and similar things. In business, learning gives you earning. In business like direct selling or network marketing, learning gives you earning. Learn is training. You want to become like anyone, ask only to those people. Hard work is the key to success. Challenges will come and go, but we must take our action which we have decided to take to achieve our dreams and be successful in our life. Hardships will come in our way to judge our capacity and capability. God gives problems to those who can withstand it. That is, God knows the capability of every person, and He gives only that much responsibility on the shoulders of each person who can lift that much weight. Then for your success, you need to be committed to your daily actions, and small chunks of success will give you a big amount of success. That is, success is a habit. Small successes truncated one after another, then your mind knows only to be successful. Your mind does not accept the negativity. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Confidence gives knowledge and practice gives the confidence. Only knowledge will not give you the results, but the practice and along with the knowledge will give you the success. लगातार कोशिश करते रहना ही सक्सेस का मंत्र है. Bad time is the best time. We must be focused. That is our our aim. We must watch our aim like in a bird's eye view. we must see our success as a bird's eye view, and our focus should not get shifted from our success. That is uh, like Arjuna, who was seeing only the eye of the bird. That kind of focus we must have. Then our that kind of focus, if we can have on our aim or goal, then success is compulsory. There is no shortcut to success. There you must be passionate about your aims, goals. You must have, आपको आपके अंदर वो जुनून होना चाहिए, वो पागलपन होना चाहिए जिंदगी जीने के लिए, जो हमें सक्सेसफुल बनाती है. नेवर 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 क्विट. बिकॉज काम करने वाले रास्ते ढूंढ लेंगे और काम से मुंह छुड़ाने वाले बहाने ढूंढ लेंगे. Never quitting is the way to success. That is, never quitting is the success. Never quit. Quitting is the part of failure. If you want to success, you must not quit. We all know the example of Thomas Edison, who some 10,000 times who tried to make a bulb, and he was unsuccessful in doing that. But then he tried once again, and that time the bulb blew up. That means when someone asked him, how did you do this, then he told in a humorous way, that is, at least I got some 1,000 to 10,000 ways of not 1,000 to 10,000 ways of how the bulb does not glow. Also, we have the example of Wright brothers, who had the dreams to fly like the birds in the sky. They used to go on some small peak, some small mountain, and from there they tried to make their machine to fly. In that practice, when actually the machine flied, one of the brothers got dead into that, but they fulfilled their aim. They were successful in their aim to fly like the bird. To be successful, we must have until attitude. Until attitude means we must do the things until we don't achieve the things. We must do the things until we achieve the aims. That is called the until attitude. We must have passion about our work to become successful in achieving our aim or goal. Don't worry about what people say. If you think सबसे बुरा रोग, सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग, so people will say something when you are doing something good, and they will also say something if you are doing not, and they also will say something when we are doing bad. So never take into account what others are saying unless and until that is in your own that is unless it is for your own goodness or own regard, good for your own life, don't take into account what others are saying, and never quit. So that was for me from about the subject for the success come to those who never quit and work committedly with the self-discipline and passion, and who have dreams and aims. Their success comes to those people. And next time we will talk about some way of being productive. Thank you very much. That was from me about success and attaining success. Thank you very much.